Sometimes they will ask, sometimes they will not ask. Even if they don't ask, a perusal of this will enable us to answer many other questions, general questions, which are being asked here. General questions. Now, this is about Punjab National Bank. I am not going into the details of, say, about us, that you can read it yourself. I will go through generally about Punjab National Bank, which may be of use for others also. For example, the products, the main products that they have is when we click this deposit, what is it coming? I don't know what is coming. When I click this deposit, these deposits are coming. That is savings bank account, current account, fixed deposit. Then why they have not given recurring deposit, I don't know. Capital gains account scheme, gold monetization scheme. Here, saving for current fixed, everybody must be knowing. But maybe I am not familiar with capital gain account scheme. So we can see some of the points here. The capital gains account scheme. Yeah. Now, whose internet is good? For example, whose internet is good?
So my internet is good, sir.
Acha, please read this one. Jivita, I think you have come for State Bank of India. Even then, I am taking those topics that will be useful for you people also. Like, for example, what are the features of capital account scheme? Please read. Somebody who volunteered to read, please read.
Yeah, features of the scheme, eligibility. The
Not
accounts can be
not futures, features.
features.
Mm.
Eligibility. The accounts can be opened by depositors, means an assessee who is eligible to make a deposit under section 54, 54B, 54D, 54F, 54GB, and 54G of the Income Tax Act. Deposit amount. The capital gain term deposit account can be opened with a minimum deposit of ₹1,000 and thereafter in multiples of ₹1 with no ceiling of maximum amount. Period of deposit. Maximum tenure not exceeding 2 to 3 years from date of transfer of original asset as given below. Maximum 24 months if capital gains is UBS 54, 54B, 54F of IT Act as declared in form
under
under
section.
section. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, sir. In form A by depositor. Maximum 36 months if capital gains is under section 54, 54D, 54F, 54G, and 54GB of IT Act as declared in Form A by depositor.
Now,
Minimum
anybody,
10.
listen, any chartered accountant is here? Any chartered accountant, cost accountant is here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what is the difference between these two? Why this one 24 months, this one 36 months? Kya farak hai?
Because it is a long term capital gain or maybe short term capital gain. For long term capital gain, the tenure is 36 months, and for short term, it is for 24 months.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Continue. Next, same boy who was reading. Please continue.
Minimum tenure. Minimum tenure. Maturity option 7 days. Income option 6 months. After FD shall be auto closed after tenure. Interest. The rate of interest shall be card rate payable in accordance with the circulars issued by the bank from time to time. Higher or differential rate of interest to staff as well as senior citizen. Under this scheme, no additional rate of interest will be given on deposits held under capital gains account scheme 1988 received from senior citizens as well as staff members. Premium with
ठीक है, continue. Number 5.
Premature withdrawal of deposit. 1% penal interest shall be charged at the time of premature cancellation of domestic term deposits for all tenors, and interest rate payable would be contractual rate minus 1%, or the rate under the scheme on contractual date applicable for the tenor for which the deposit has actually run minus 1%, whichever is lower. Fixed deposit under income option. The depositor has the option to draw interest on quarterly basis or on maturity. However, the payment of interest shall be done through savings bank capital gain account. The depositor having saving fund capital gain account may at any time after making the initial subscription, if he so desires, may apply in Form C together with the passbook to the branch for the withdrawal of amount subject to the other provisions of this scheme. Loan facility. No loan facility against this deposit is available. The term deposit can neither be accepted as margin money for non-fund based nor as a collateral to any type of fund facilities. Interest certificate. Interest certificate may be issued to the depositor in respect of the amount actually credited or accrued in the depositor's account during the year. Tax deduction at source. As per instructions issued by Finance Division HO from time to time, the branches are required to deduct income tax if applicable at the time of payment or credit of interest to the depositor's account. The account can be opened in all the branches except rural branches. The single capital gains term deposit of above rupees 25 crore shall be accepted at identified branches only.
Very good. So this is about capital gain scheme. Please get to know that. Very nice. Thank you. That is, they can open capital gains SB scheme as well as capital gain fixed deposit scheme. Yeah. Now, where are we? Where was I? Hare Baba. Where did it go? What is happening? No, not this one. What is happening to this PNB? Here it is. PNB about products. Yeah. Home. Products, correct. Deposits, I clicked. Takes time. Now we have to go. This also, I am not familiar with this. I think many of you may not be familiar with this. Jivita madam, are you there? Jivita madam, are you there? Excuse me. Jivita.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, Jivita. Yeah. Yes, madam, you are appearing for SBI Cbo?
No, sir. PNB SO, sir.
PNB only. Achha, I mistook you for
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
SBI Cbo. Correct. What is your degree, madam?
Okay, sir. MBA, sir.
Which year did you complete it?
In the year of 2021, sir.
Are you working somewhere now?
No, sir. No, sir. After completing the MBA, I started preparing for competitive exams, sir.
You are married?
No, sir. No, sir.
No. Acha. Where are you living? Which city?
Vellore, sir. Tamil Nadu.
Very good. Vellore is known for what?
Sir, the famous, sir, Vellore Fort is famous, and only one university is famous, sir. VIT University is famous. CMC, it is an hospital. It is famous, sir.
Why are you not mentioning about that Gudu, that is Vellam? Vellore is also known for that Vellam, you know, that is
Jaggery.
Jaggery. Yeah. Correct. Are you not happy about Jaggery of Vellore? No.
Sir, I didn't know that it is famous for Vellore.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay, sir.
Please check up in Wikipedia. Whatever they say, that is correct.
Okay, sir.
Now, Miss Jivita, I think you must be having account with Indian Bank or Indian Overseas Bank, correct?
Indian Bank, sir.
I know, because Velur people, they prefer Indian bank. Now, please read gold monetization scheme. Please read the
Okay, sir.
purpose.
Okay, sir. Gold monetization scheme. Purpose: to mobilize the idle gold in the country and put it into productive use, to provide the customers an opportunity to earn interest interest income on their idle gold holdings. So, I have to continue
Pers-
or
yeah. Persons. No, I won't be explaining things because they are all very routine things. If
okay, sir.
something
Okay, sir.
very important comes, I may start talking about. Continue.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Persons
Per-
eligible.
Persons eligible to make a deposit. Resident Indians of the following categories. Individuals. Sir, Hindu United Family. Is this
No.
correct full form, sir?
Hindu,
HUF.
Hindu undivided family.
Undivided. Okay, sir.
Both
Hindu
are same.
undivided.
What you
Okay, sir.
said, united also same, but then it should be called as undivided.
Undivided. Okay, sir.
Mm.
Okay, sir. Hindu undivided families, proprietorship and partnership firms, trust including mutual funds, exchange traded funds, registered under SEBI, mutual fund regulation, companies, charitable institutions, central government, state government, or any other entity owned by central government or state government. Joint deposits of two or more eligible deposits are also allowed under the scheme, and the deposit in such case shall be credited to the joint deposit account opened in the name of such depositor. Deposit quantity minimum 10 grams, maximum no limit. Types of deposit, type of scheme and tenure. Short term deposit 1 to 3 years, medium term gold deposit 5 to 7 years, government deposits 5 to 7 years, and long term government deposit 12 to 15 years. The deposit under medium and long term will be accepted by the bank on the behalf of the central government.
Mm.
Deposits can be accepted for the broken period also.
Mm.
Rate of interest and payment. Short term deposit bank. Period 1 year and rate of interest is 0.50 percentage. Above 1 year to 2 years is 0.60 percentage. Above 2 to 3 years 0.75 percentage.
Mm.
ST short term bank deposit non cumulative on 31st March every year or cumulative on maturity interest on maturity. The principal of short term bank deposit shall be denominated in gold and interest shall be calculated in Indian rupees with reference to the INR value of the gold at the time of deposit with effect of what is the full form of WEF, sir?
With effect from.
With effect from 5th April 2021. On maturity, interest for broken period will be also paid. For medium term government deposit, 2.2 percentage per annum. For long term government deposit, 2.50 percentage per annum. In case of medium term and long term government deposit, the principal will be denominated in gold. However, the interest shall be paid in rupees annually on 31st of March or cumulative interest on maturity. Broken period interest is paid at the time of maturity. Interest is calculated on gold values in the rupees at the time of deposit. Deposit will be Deposit will be option to receive of simple interest annually or cumulative interest compounded annually on maturity. The option to be exercised at the time of deposit. Acceptance of gold. Gold is accepted in form of raw material, that is gold bars, coins, jewelry, excluding stones and other metals. Customers to submit application form, identification proof, address proof, and inventory form. Sir, what is inventory form, sir?
Inventory means list. What are the items they are giving for gold the monetization? This one. Say
Okay, sir.
one chain, then so many bangles, like that.
Okay, sir.
Inventory. Inventory means stock.
Okay, sir.
Continue.
Nomination facility. Nomination facility will be available on the line of other rupee deposit schemes.
Mm.
Repayments. Small term bank deposit. Deposit prior to 5th April 2021. Redemption of principal and interest at the maturity will be at the option of the depositor, either in a gold or in INR equivalent of the deposit gold, and accrued interest based on the price of the gold prevailing at the time of redemption.
Mm.
Deposit with effect from 5th April 2021. Redemption on the principal at the maturity shall at the option of the depositor either in, sir, the both are same, no sir?
Please read. Please read.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. INR equivalent of the value of deposit at the time of redemption or in gold. Interest will be paid in rupees calculated on the INR value of gold at the time of deposit.
Maybe I'm not
Medium.
sure. Some difference must be there. Doesn't matter.
Okay, okay, sir.
MTGD.
MTGD and LTGD. Redemption of the gold at the maturity shall, at the option of the deposit, either in INR equivalent of the value of deposit at the time of redemption or in gold. However,
Stop,
any
stop. I think
Yes, sir.
for interview purposes, it is sufficient. We know broadly the purpose, persons who can make how much deposit can minimum and maximum types of deposits. That alone is sufficient. We need not go into other aspects of premature payment and all that. That much detail they will not ask. They don't have time to ask such things. Okay. Again, much depends on luck. Much depends on luck, how it is happening. We don't know.
Okay, sir.
Products deposit. Now
Sir,
I am
excuse me, sir.
yeah.
Sir, I have one question which I was asked in the morning itself regarding the CV, sir. You have
Regarding
told CV. You have told that whatever the application form we have submitted previously, that will be considered, and no separate CV will be required at the time of interview. Is it true, sir?
that is what is happening in majority of the interviews, like Federal Bank, IBPS and all. Here also nobody has told me they are sending any form, except in the case of Exim Bank, they send a biodata which you are asked to fill up, and then you have to take it with you, or you have to take it with you. Whereas in the case of PNB and all, nobody has told me.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If
That
there
is
is
the question.
somebody who has attended last year, then they can tell. I have no idea. Now, besides this, the most important question they ask is, what is CASA deposit? And what is the CASA deposit percentage of Punjab National Bank? Who can answer me this question? What is the CASA deposit percentage of
So it's
Punjab?
41.44%.
Very good. So what is the meaning of 41.44? What is it?
So it is ratio between the deposits in current account and saving account.
No. Between current account and savings account means savings divided by current account. No. Wrong. Answer is wrong. What is CASA ratio? Who can answer this? I will choose somebody. Tarun, what is CASA ratio? What is CASA ratio? Tarun, CASA ratio means current account plus savings account divided by total deposits. That is, current account, savings account are known as what? Demand deposits. Savings, fixed deposit RD are known as what? Time deposits. So savings plus current account divided by SB plus current plus fixed plus RD, all put together, is known as CASA ratio. Could you follow? Yeah, very good. Now, what do you know about simple current account? What are the points you know about current account? Can you tell me? Anyone can answer me. Indrajit. Indrajit, can you answer what is about current account? What is current account? No. See, you are all thinking you're going for credit officers, so they may not ask questions. There can be simple questions like this also. So accordingly, you be ready with the basics of banking. Like, what is a savings bank? What is a current account? what is a fixed deposit, what is an RD, basic questions. You please prepare for these things. Then coming to other products, please look at the screen. I will stop recording that because it is